These are some suggestions to help optimize and facilitate the best strategy for emptying your bowels without straining. So what you want to start with is just considering your posture and your alignment. So typically we encourage people to use a squatty potty or a slight elevated sort of step stool to put down on the floor in front of the toilet, in order to make sure that your feet and your are a little bit elevated but planted, and that your knees are ever so slightly higher than your hips. This is the optimal position to relax the muscle that wraps around the anus, and therefore it allows a little bit more space for the stool to come through. So in this position, we encourage you to sort of lean forward slightly, but not to round out your back, but to keep your back relatively straight and just lean over and support your body weight through your arms on your thighs. So this is just a general position, and considering as well, if you were to see me from the front, that what you also want to do is, you'll notice that my knees are widened, comfortably, slightly externally rotated. That's really helpful rather than tight in, closed up, and it can encourage more tension of the pelvic muscles. So first, feet are always supported, and that's a great way to start when you're thinking about bowel emptying.